another video. We are Saturday. This video is going to cover the trades I took yesterday. I took two setups which are winners, so let's get right into it. So the first one was on Nasdaq, and it was a demand setup. I was still fairly bullish on all indices. I'm most likely at this time being, I will be for a long time bullish unless we have a big correction. I am bullish. I think they are growing bullish long-term markets like the S&P, the Nasdaq. I'm overall bullish. So let's get right into it. Mind you, yesterday was the non-farm payroll news. I usually don't trade NFP. If I do, it's going to be late in the day after all of the craziness happened. But yeah, I don't trade at the news. I'm not touching that, but I will still be on the charts looking later on if there's an opportunity for me. So let's break it down right here. This big candle 830 is NFP. You can see it shoot up and then it continued to this level that I marked on higher time frame, and it created this demand zone while doing so. So I entered here at the break of the candle once it rejected the zone and went for a 1-to-1. Pretty straightforward. I did not leave any runners because of NFP. I lowered my risk and went for a 1-to-1 only. Usually when I trade, I leave runners to catch bigger setups, let's say 1-to-2 or 1-to-3 or even 1-to-4. But given that it was the news and I don't trade on that day usually, I went very conservative and took everything out at the 1-to-1. So, and as you can see, it was a good decision because after reaching my target, it completely reversed and shot back down. So that was the first one. Let's go to the next one on ES. So the ES was later on the day. I believe Nasdaq was what time? Around 9:40. Yeah, and ES was very late in the day. It was just a liquidity grab after this big movement down towards the previous daily low. So once it reached and tapped in the previous daily low, it created this strong bullish candle, and I've entered at the confirmation of the break of the candle. Went once again only for a 1-to-1 because I didn't expect the market to reverse completely. I just knew that off of that big movement, which is practically 85 points, the bearish momentum was going to be diminished, and they would need to have some sort of retracement confirmed with the liquidity grab on the previous daily low. So once again, I didn't leave any runner, not expecting to completely reverse. I was just trying to catch a quick scalp, and that's exactly what happened. So took everything out at the 1-to-1 and was out. Yeah, so that is it for the recap of yesterday, Friday. Usually I do not trade NFP, but I'm still gonna be on the charts looking if anything's gonna happen. Like this movement, it's like, if I'm not mistaken, it's like 85, like practically 86 points with little to none, actually no resistance whatsoever. It could still continue down and forever. It's a possibility. It's unlikely. The market never goes in one direction forever. It's just not something that the market does. It needs liquidity. It needs to retrace in order to continue in the direction. So once we arrived at this level of interest, which is the previous candle low, previous daily candle low, I knew that they would lose some momentum and they would need some sort of retracement. So yeah, that's about it. And yep, thank you for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.